Connect the AC adapter to the device's Type-C port and plug into a 10240V outlet. After powering on, the display area lights up. Press Alarm 1 switch or Alarm 2 switch to switch the alarm off, on. Press and hold the alarm button until the hour indicator flashes for setting. Rotate the snooze setting plus, minus button to set the hour. Press the snooze setting plus, minus button to confirm the minute is blinking. Rotate the snooze setting plus, minus button to set the minute. You can then set the sound, volume, brightness, sunrise time, and finally, the alarm schedule. There are 10 sound effects to choose from, or you can turn off the sound effects. Volume and light brightness are adjusted via the corresponding scroll wheels. Rotate the snooze setting plus, minus button to adjust settings. Press it to confirm and move to the next item. Sunrise simulation duration, adjustable from 0 to 60 minutes. Daily alarm, moon sun, weekday alarm, moon free, weekend alarm, sat sun. Press the snooze setting plus, minus button to complete alarm set. Hold sleep timer time set button 2 seconds to enter the 12:24H setting. The 12:24H will blink. Rotate the snooze setting plus, minus button to adjust settings. Press it to confirm and move to the next item. Set in sequence, 12/24 hour format, hour, minute, year, month, day. After completing the above steps, you have successfully set the time. RGB, short press to turn on or switch lighting effects, long press to turn off. 9 lighting effects are available to choose from. Scroll the light wheel to adjust the brightness. The lighting can be adjusted across 20 levels. Sunrise simulation, short press to turn on, switch the sunrise simulation light, long press to turn off. Press and hold snooze to access snooze settings. Rotate to set the snooze time. Press snooze to confirm and switch to the sunrise light. Turn the snooze to switch the sunrise light on or off. Press snooze to complete the snooze settings. Press and release the dimmer BT button to adjust the time zone display. There are 5 levels of adjustment available. Press and hold dimmer BT to enter Bluetooth mode. A voice prompt will announce Bluetooth mode. The white noise device can play music from your phone via a Bluetooth connection. Press and hold dimmer BT again to turn off the Bluetooth mode. Press and release sleep timer to enter countdown settings. Rotate the snooze setting countdown timer. The available durations are 10-480 minutes. Adjust the lighting and volume to the appropriate brightness and volume. Press and hold sleep timer to turn off this mode. White noise button, short press to cycle through white noise presets. 10 presets available. Volume control wheel, adjust the volume of all audio effects. Nature sounds, Turn on, switch nature sounds, with 20 tracks available to switch between. Press and hold to turn off nature sounds.